Wadonjo weche magola kama jatenda bengi maduong' ma pacho ka CBK kama uthuge oko ni Kenya nyaka med kwan mag mwandu mawuok e pacho ka dhi e pinje maoko eka siling mar piny Kenya nyalo bedo motegno kopim kod dola mar piny Amerika.
Kolose komiti mar od bura mamalo mang'iyo weche mag omenda wigi momiyo teko omenda ma pacho ka osebedo mana kadok piny kopim kod dola ma Amerika. Thuge oko ni Kenya nyaka jiw tudruok mar ohala achiel kachiel e kinde kod pinje maoko mondo mi oywa joket mwandu mawuok e pinje ma osedongore.
Oko ni kaka yor jolo weche mag omenda mathur ka piny Kenya geno yudo milion 400 kowuok e aguch omenda mar IMF juma manyien kod milion machielo 750 kowuok e bengi maduong' mar piny mangima dwe mar adek mar higa manyien, omenda mabiro fuong'o ne Kenya pek mar gope mosebedogo.
I would also like to seek a clarification because you've stated here that the devaluation of our currencies because it was overvalued. I would like to know whether you have an idea of where it should stabilize or what rate should we expect it to stand on. And then lastly, you've stated that the money you're getting from IMF and all donors is to replace existing loans.
One thing which is bothering my mind is that you are not protecting Kenya shillings adequately, because the money is decreasing in value all the time. In fact, I would say in recent times. What are you doing at least to help our currency? Because if you leave it totally for the market, I'm seeing that we are going to be in a very weak position as a country in terms of economy.
We require the MRPs to sell to their corporate customers up to a maximum of $100,000 per day per customer, and then for the rest to go to the interbank in order to deepen the interbank market and get better price discovery. Slide number 12 just shows that the number of banks participating in the interbank market has risen compared to where it was last year. And then finally, slide number 13, in terms of going forward, let me just, it's a short slide, but although I've mentioned some of these things, but let me just go through it quickly. So one is attracting more financial inflows through FDI and other private sector inflows. Also, the need to improve competitiveness to encourage more exports of goods.